Have you ever marveled at how world-class architecture like the Sydney Opera House or luxury flagship stores use wood veneer to create rich, unforgettable atmospheres? While these masterpiece spaces inspire the possibilities of fine woodwork, how does raw timber actually become the exquisite veneer that defines modern interior design? Let's step inside to discover the process. Following shifts in global trade, Vietnam has emerged as the world's leading hub for wood veneer processing, taking over from China. At the forefront of this movement is Phu San Furniture. Backed by decades of manufacturing expertise and equipped with state-of-the-art German machinery, Phu San maintains a reliable safety stock of 6,000 cubic meters. With a monthly production capacity of 3,500 cubic meters, equivalent to 70 export containers, we ensure a steady high-volume supply to architectural and interior design projects across the globe. Once debarked, the logs move directly to the slicing preparation hall, powered by 26 steaming vats operating around the clock. Paired with 7 advanced rapid drying systems, the timber can be processed and converted into export-ready products immediately after steaming. When it comes to processing, stability is everything. Featuring heavy-duty cast-iron bodies and exceptionally rigid construction, these robust machines from Capital Machine Company counteract vibrations through pure mass, delivering unmatched precision and operational stability. Next is the BABCK-BSH vertical slicer, a pinnacle of precision engineering. This state-of-the-art technology determines the core quality of the veneer, ensuring silky smooth surface texture, perfectly uniform thickness, structural fiber integrity, and maximum yield. Here, our innovative half-round slicing technique revolutionizes traditional quarter sawing and rift cutting methods. By optimizing the cutting angle, it significantly increases yield, boosts processing efficiency, and reveals cleaner, far more striking straight grain patterns. Drying requires absolute control. This German-engineered Grenzebach veneer dryer excels in high-precision temperature and humidity management. By maintaining strict flatness control, it prevents warping and wrinkling, ensuring exceptionally uniform moisture distribution. There are no dry edges or damp cores, dramatically boosting success rates in downstream splicing and hot press lamination. After drying and cold pressing, the sheets enter the trimming and initial grading phase. Skilled technicians precisely trim all 4 edges while conducting the first tier of quality classification. Advanced automated scanners then calculate the exact dimensions and surface area of each veneer sheet, generating instant barcode labels for digitized inventory tracking. During the second grading stage, flawless sheets exceeding 100 millimeters in width and 2.55 meters in length are designated as premium select grade, packaged into containers and shipped globally for ultra-high-end bespoke architecture. Veneers under 2.55 meters are categorized for domestic use, sorted by grain structure, color harmony, and integrity into dedicated grades for cabinetry, furniture, and baseboards. Quality assurance is uncompromising. At the Shaper QC station, strict checks are conducted to monitor dimensional accuracy, thickness uniformity, and moisture content, holding every sheet to a precise 8% to 12% target range. Finally, in the packaging and warehouse zone, every bundle of veneer is tightly wrapped in protective plastic film to completely seal out moisture and UV light. Secured onto reinforced pallets, each shipment is built to withstand transit, ensuring our products arrive at your doorstep in pristine, factory-fresh condition. With 10 slices, 7 dryers, and a monthly capacity of 3,500 cubic meters, Phu San Furniture stands at the very forefront of the global veneer industry. By sourcing premium logs directly from Indiana and Ohio, they deliver world-class North American and European hardwoods, from black walnut to white oak, crafted to meet the highest international standards. Thank you for watching this episode. If you want to unlock the power of Vietnam's wood supply chains, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We bring you fresh factory unboxings every single week, helping you find the absolute best manufacturer in Vietnam. See you next time.